Honor ups their game once again by delivering the Honor 200 Lite. The tech company aims to deliver a smartphone that is not only heavy on the camera specs, but pretty lightweight too. But do they deliver that promise? Let's find out. Design. The Honor 200 Lite features a high-quality plastic body with a shimmering finish, adding to its premium feel. In South Africa, it's available in starry blue and midnight black. The rear camera module is well-placed, and the minimal bezels enhance the screen's size for your streaming marathons. Weighing just 166 grams, it's one of the lightest, slimmest models available. Display. The phone boasts a 6.7-inch AMOLED sunlight display with 1080p resolution. This means you get vibrant and clearer visuals. Touch responsiveness on the Honor 200 Lite is pretty smooth, really enhancing the user experience. Camera. With cameras being such a big smartphone selling point, the Honor 200 Lite had to bring its A-game. And it does not disappoint. Packing a 108-megapixel main camera, a 5-megapixel wide and depth camera, and a 2-megapixel macro camera, the device delivers stunning photo quality in various lighting conditions, and with special modes like night mode, portrait mode, and multi-video, help take your pictures and videos from meh to magic with just a click. Performance. The device punches quite nicely above its lightweight. Honor has fitted the device with a solid MediaTek processor, along with the very common 8 gigs of RAM and 256 gigs of internal storage. Also worth mentioning is the USB-C port with Honor's famous 35W supercharge feature. Conclusion. When compared to similar models in its price range, the Honor 200 Lite stands out with its superior camera capabilities and impressive design. Considering features, performance, and price, the Honor 200 Lite offers good value for money, making it a strong contender in the budget smartphone market.